Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Me Muhammad Abbas with my YouTube channel Meher Abbas Education Tube Math. Today I with very important formulas of mathematics as well as in physics for the students of 10th class as well as for the students of FSC, BS Honors in mathematics and physics. These formulas are related with trigonometry. What is trigonometry? Now first of all we will define it. The word trigonometry is derived from three Greek words: trigonia, metron. Trigonia, metrons. Tri mean three, gonia mean angles, and metron mean measurement. Mean we say that it is the branch of mathematics which solve the triangle, yani measurement of three angles as well as measurement of three sides. In front of you in the video, a triangle OPM given in the coordinate axis in the first quadrant of the coordinate plane. We consider angle theta in the standard form as shown in the diagram. Now we discuss three sides of this triangle. The side opposite to the theta is denoted by y, is called perpendicular. The side which is along the x-axis is called base, and the side opposite to the angle of 90 degree is called hypotenuse. So it is triangle OPM and it is a right triangle with three sides. Now we give the relations between different sides and the angle. First of all, sin theta is equal to y over r. Y mean perpendicular, r mean hypotenuse. So we can say that sin theta is a ratio between the perpendicular and hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. That is sin theta is equal to y over r, yani sin theta is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. The next, that is reciprocal of sin theta is completely cosecant theta and written as cosec theta. That is reciprocal of a sin theta. Sin theta is perpendicular over hypotenuse and cosecant theta is hypotenuse over perpendicular. Hypotenuse in the diagram is r and perpendicular is y. The next ratio is cos theta. It is a ratio between base of the right angle triangle and hypotenuse. So cos theta is equal to x over r. X is the base of the triangle and r is the hypotenuse of the triangle. The reciprocal of cos theta is secant theta. That is r over x. R is the hypotenuse and x is the base of the right angle triangle. So we can say that secant theta is equal to hypotenuse over base mean r over x. The third ratio between the two sides of the right angle triangle is perpendicular over base. It is called tangent theta. That is y over x mean perpendicular over base. The reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta, which is equal to base over perpendicular mean x over y. So these are the six ratios, three ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and three their reciprocals. Sin's reciprocal is cosecant theta, cos reciprocal secant theta, Tan's reciprocal is cot theta. Now, we explain some other terms for the right angle triangle. The other term, very important term, is Pythagoras theorem. In right angle triangle, OP mean distance of OP by distance formula also can be calculated. That is R, not R square, R. In a right angle triangle, OP is the distance from the origin. OP is equal to R is equal to x square plus y square, mean square of the base plus square of the perpendicular square root. It can also be calculated by distance formula x minus 0 whole square y minus 0 whole square under root by distance formula. It is also called Pythagoras theorem. So, hypotenuse is equal to base square plus perpendicular square whole square root. Now we discuss different sides of this right angle triangle. OP is equal to R is the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. OM is equal to X is equal to base. It is given the side of the right angle triangle along x-axis positive direction. PM is equal to Y is equal to perpendicular. It is the side opposite to the angle theta given in the standard form and is called perpendicular. Now we give the definition of trigonometric. Ratios are trigonometric functions. The relations between different sides and angles of a right angle triangle are called trigonometric ratios. Mean the relation between three sides of the right angle triangle and the angle theta given in standard form is called trigonometry and the relations are called trigonometric ratios. These are very important for the metric students, for FSC students, especially for the mathematics and physics up to BS honor levels, MSc levels. These are the basic formulas of the trigonometry that should be learned clearly by the students of mathematics and physics. Dear students, before starting fundamental identities and some very important formulas of the trigonometry for metric students, FSC students of mathematics and physics, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel if you are new one on my channel, or if you till not have subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Click the bell icon so that you get the latest videos about mathematics and physics of 9th and 10th class. Like it, share it. So now we come to the some very important fundamental identities of trigonometry. As shown in the triangle ABC, theta is in the standard form. Opposite to that theta is a small a, that is perpendicular. The line along x-axis with the joining with the theta is called base of the right angle triangle, and side opposite to the right angle C is called hypotenuse of the given right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem we have a square plus b square is equal to c square. Mean square of base plus square of perpendicular plus square of base is equal to square of the hypotenuse. It is called Pythagoras theorem. Now we repeat some relations given in the front page. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. Mean in this triangle A over C. The reciprocal of sin theta is cosecant theta, that is C over A. Mean hypotenuse over a perpendicular. The second one ratio is cos theta. It is equal to base over hypotenuse. The reciprocal of cos theta is secant theta, that is C over B mean hypotenuse over base. The third ratio is tan theta. It is the ratio between the perpendicular to the base. A is perpendicular and B is base of the right angle triangle. The reciprocal of tan theta is equal to cot theta, and it is equal to base over perpendicular. In this triangle, B is the base and A is the perpendicular. Now, we have written an equation A square plus B square is equal to C square. Perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. It is according to the Pythagoras theorem. We give it the name equation 1. Now we derive 3 very important fundamental identities, formulas from this equation number 1. Dividing equation 1 by C square. Dividing equation 1 by C square. A square over C square plus B square over C square is equal to C square over C square. So written in the simple form, A over C whole square plus B over C whole square is equal to C over C whole square. C is cancelled with C. So 1 ka whole square. A over C whole square plus B over C whole square. From the identities, from the ratios, A is perpendicular, C is hypotenuse, and it is the ratio known as sine. Plus B base over hypotenuse. Base over hypotenuse is another ratio, that is called cos theta. So A over C is equal to sine theta whole square plus B over C is equal to cos theta whole square is equal to 1 whole square. 1 whole square mean 1. It is sine square theta plus cos square theta. There is a square of ratio, not the square of theta. So it is written as sine square theta plus cos square theta. It is the first fundamental identity derived from the formula of Pythagoras and in a right angle triangle ABC. And other equation, now we again take the equation 1 and divide it with the B square. B mean dividing by base. Dividing equation 1 by B square. So equation 1, A square over B square plus B square over B square is equal to C square over B square. A is the perpendicular of the right angle triangle, B is the base of the right angle triangle, and C is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. So it is written as A square over B square plus B square over B square is equal to C square over B square. So the next equation becomes A over B ka whole square plus B over B ka whole square is equal to C over B ka whole square. A perpendicular, B base, it is equal to tan theta. Tan whole square plus B over B cancelled with each one another. So 1 whole square is equal to C is the hypotenuse and B is the base. Base over hypotenuse is equal to cos theta, and hypotenuse over base is equal to reciprocal of cos theta, that is secant theta. So secant theta whole square. In order, 1 whole square is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, not the square of theta but the square of ratio. Mean tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. It is the second important fundamental identity derived from the Pythagoras theorem and is very important for the trigonometric. Now we derive third equation, third fundamental identity from the relation of the Pythagoras. Mean A square plus B square is equal to C square. It is called Pythagoras theorem in the right angle triangle. So dividing by equation 1 by A square over A square plus B square over A square is equal to C square over A square. Mean perpendicular divided by perpendicular, base by perpendicular, and hypotenuse by perpendicular. A square over A square, A over A whole square plus B over A whole square is equal to C over A whole square. A is cancelled with A, 1 whole square plus B. Base over perpendicular. Perpendicular of base is tan theta and base over perpendicular is reciprocal of tan theta, that is cot theta. Cot theta square is equal to A over C is equal to sin theta and C over A is equal to reciprocal cosecant theta whole square. 1 square is equal to 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. It is the third identity, third very important formula for the trigonometry. Now we discuss some more relations between the ratios of the right angle triangle mean trigonometry. Dear students, these formulas, these relations are very important for the mathematics students as well as for the physics students of metric classes, FSC classes and upper classes. Now some more relations are given as sin theta is equal to 1 over cosecant theta. Mean sin and cosecant are reciprocals to each other. That is cosecant theta is equal to 1 over sin theta. Similarly, cos theta is equal to 1 over secant theta and secant theta is equal to 1 over cos theta. Both are reciprocal to each other. The third relation is tan theta is equal to 1 over cot theta and cot theta is equal to 1 over tan theta. Another very important relation is between tan sin cos and cot sin and cos. So tan is equal to mean tan theta is equal to sin theta over cos theta and cot theta is equal to cos theta over sin theta. These relations are also very important. Dear students, see you again with the next video. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.